Okay guys, so this is the last video that we are going to have to watch for section 4.2. So section 4.2 is when we're solving systems of linear equations by substitution. This video is just about a word problem, okay? And this problem 3, it's still in the same notes, just the very last one. Problem 3 is requiring us to set up the equation, the system of equations that we need to solve. Okay, so it says write and solve the system of linear equations based on the problems below. So it says the Frosty ice cream shop sells sundaes for $2 and banana splits for $3. So as I read this, I want to kind of highlight and underline the things that are going on. So right away I see we're talking about sundaes and then we're talking about banana splits. Then it says, on a hot summer day, the ice cream shop sells a total, that's probably important, of 64 desserts, and then makes a total of $156. That's important. How many of each type of dessert did they sell is the question. So our variables, obviously we're going to have something that's x, and obviously we're going to have something that's y. Our x is going to be our sundaes. That's the first thing they're talking about. The second thing they're talking about is banana splits. Then we've got to write our system. So our system has those squiggly lines. There's two different things we're talking about that I underlined in the second sentence. We're talking about total number of desserts, so number of desserts, and then we're talking about total amount of money, okay? So in the desserts, it just says total is 64 desserts. That just says if I add how many sundaes there were and how many banana splits there were 64 sold. My other equation is about money. Where else did we talk about money in this word problem? It's the $2 and the $3. The $2 goes with sundaes, that goes with x, plus the $3 goes with banana splits, which is y, equals our total money, 156. Those are my two equations. One equation for the total number of desserts, one equation for my money that was earned, okay? Then it says solve to determine the number of sundaes or banana splits. We're going to solve this by substitution. So I'm going to write it again down here. X plus y equals 64. 2x plus 3y equals 156. Just like we've been practicing, we need to get one variable alone. So I'm going to look at this equation and get that x by itself. So I'm going to subtract the y over. So now my new equations are here. I don't do anything with the other equation. Okay. And then I'm going to substitute x, I know, is 64 minus y. So I'm going to substitute that into the other equation. I'm going to have 2 times 64 minus y plus 3y equals 156. Okay, we'll distribute that too. And then we're going to combine like terms. And then we need to subtract the 128. So I know y equals 28. What does that 28 stand for? Banana splits. And then, so 28 banana splits. And then part D says substitute to find the second value. I'm going to use that equation here. X equals 64 minus 28. And I get 36 is x, so 36 sundaes. Those are my two answers. Okay, so guys, watch out for when you set. The most important thing here is how to set up your system, defining your variables, the two things that they're talking about, and then the system is how we're talking about those two things. So the things for sundaes and banana splits. And then how we're talking about them, we're talking about the total number sold and how much money we made. Okay, you guys are going to practice some of this stuff too. Good job, you guys. You got this. This is the end of 4.2.